Get crystal clear, customizable magnification with the YOCTOSUN LED Magnifying Glasses. Weighing in at just 3 ounces with a comfortable rubber-wrapped nose bridge, this ultra-lightweight headset is a dream to wear and comes power-packed with features to support a wide variety of hobbies and careers that require precision. From lash estheticians to watch repair, fine needlework, painting, and more. The YOCTOSUN headset features an interchangeable lens design that allows you to choose between 5 different magnification levels with a simple click. The headset features 4 LED lights with 2 brightness levels and adjustable light angle. With a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery and included charging cable, you'll never have to buy batteries. You can even choose between glasses style and headband style for maximum comfort and versatility. Get a magnifying headset that will truly work for your needs with the YOCTOSUN LED Magnifying Glasses.